So they're actually contacted us back in, when was it, 2018. And their goal was to go up and down several museums in the UK capturing artifacts for the Civilisations TV series. So what you see on that guy's hand is actually the predecessor to the Leo. It's called the Artec Eva. It is a wired device, but the end results are comparable. Yeah. So they actually rented the scanner for us for 2 weeks, so we had to train two guys who were unfortunately going to be on the road for the next 2 weeks in a mad dash, capturing hundreds of artifacts, I think it was in the end. And the end goal was to have an augmented reality app that was a companion to the TV series. So I believe Civilisations is still on iPlayer, so you can still watch it 5 years later. But at various points of the TV series, it says, go look at the Ming dynasty vase in the app right now. So as you're watching along, you can actually have it on your phone saying, oh, okay, that's cool. You can zoom in and out, look at the detail, look at the inscriptions, look at the detail. It just adds value to the viewer. Yeah, it makes it a bit more real to them, right? So there's going to be 2 videos of the app in action. So the key thing to know about augmented reality is that it uses your camera to superimpose a 3D model into the real world. Yeah. Whereas virtual reality, you wear a headset and everything's virtual. Yeah. And you get things which are called mixed reality, which is you still wear a VR headset, but you still see your environment, as in this boardroom. But you have items in there being interspersed. It's usually triggered by a QR code. It downloads typically a 3D model that you can then spin around, or a video clip sometimes. Yeah, just describing what's in front of you, rather than having like an audio guide, which is the traditional method. So audio guides still has a place, of course, but video content, 3D content is a lot more interactive for kids, you know, to get more interest from them, of course, more engagement.